This is to show that this keypad does not work with the old lock, that the buttons 1 through 5 do not work. I'm pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 do work. So this is to show that the keypad was bad from the beginning that it was sent to me. I will show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing works. Now I will plug this into another lock, another Lagarde lock.
Sacrifices were made.
The bottom buttons work, the top buttons do not. Now we'll take another Lagarde keypad and plug it in and show that this is not the problem, other than the new keypad that was sent to us. Now this is showing that the lock is not working properly, but is accepting the proper combination. So now I will plug in the other keypad. As you can see, the buttons 1 through 5 still do not work. Buttons 6 through 0 do work, however. Even with a new Lagarde snap bolt or swing bolt, as this one is, the only buttons that work on the keypad are 6 through 0. Buttons 1 through 5 still do not work. Now I'm going to show you how we received the lock. Here is the bag that they sent it in. And this is how we received it. There was no packing material, no nothing inside the bag. This was shipped to us like this.